Hi, now we will be starting chapter 11 mensuration of CBSE NCERT 8th class mathematics. Now the chapter is mensuration. This chapter basically deals with areas of a figure. What is an area? We know the space occupied is called area. For example, take triangle. We know this triangle. This triangle, how much space it is occupied? This is a big board. In that, it has occupied some area. This much of area it is occupied. The space it has occupied. The space which it has occupied, that is called area. Now, in agriculture, we know we are having fields or lands. Say, for example, a person is having a land like this, in this shape. Another person is having like this. Another person having like this. If this is his field or agriculture land, then we can easily find the area by using length into breadth. We know the formulas like area of rectangle equal to length into breadth, like that. So if the figure is not falling on this category, then how to do? Simple. What we will do is we will cut it like this and we will find this area and this area separately. If you feel this is also not a rectangle, again we can cut it like this. This will become one rectangle and this will become one triangle. Like that we will be dealing. So the whole concept or the topics what we are going to cover in this mensuration is finding the areas of different figures. Now let us start. So before starting, first we will recall the areas of different figures. Areas of different figures which we have already learned. Let us recall. Say, what is this? Rectangle. Say the length is A and the breadth is B. In that case, the area will be A into B. Simple. Next, if all four sides are equal, then we will name it as square. We will name it as square. Say if the length is A and this is also A, of course in a square, all sides are equal. So if A, then the area will be A into A, simple. Next, if this is a triangle, let us take triangle. If this is, say for example, A, and if the height is B, then the area will be half into A into B. Then say parallelogram. We know parallelogram. In parallelogram, if we take this as a height and this as A and this as B, then the area will be A into B. Last, if we take circle and if the radius is say A, then the area will be pi into A, that is pi A square. If it is a circle, then the area will be pi A square. Now, these are the areas. Shall we do about the perimeter also? Say this is area. Now, let us see perimeter. If you want to find the perimeter, 2 into a plus b. What about this? This is 4a, because a plus a plus a plus a, 4 a's. So it will be 4a. And what about this? This is a, and this length we need to know. So this is a. If it is x and this is y, then the perimeter will be a plus x plus y. And this one, this is a, and we are saying this is, for example, this is, say, c. This is a and this is c. Then a plus c. A plus c 2 times. So this is 2 into a plus c. And what about this? Simply 2 pi r. These are the formulas which we will be using throughout the chapter. Now, let us start our exercise 11.1.